Welcome to the Inspiring English Academy. Answer these questions. Do I hurry home? Do you follow the news? Do they want a pet? Do we need tea? Do I learn quickly? Do they try to be on time? Do you display good manners? Do we employ 5 people? Do they like to talk? Do they do a great deal of work? Do you live in Pune? Do students come late to the party? Do you do your job on time? Do you do laundry in the morning? Do you do dishes after dinner? Do you work in this office? Do you take care of your parents? Do you understand English? Do you speak English? Do they manage this company? Subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.